I have the zip file in my PC. Just right click on it and select cut option and then go to this PC and open the drive that has enough space and right click on the blank area and select new and select folder. Name this folder games and press enter. Double click on the games folder and paste the zip file we copied and then go to search menu and type Windows security, click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select manage settings. Scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add an exclusion and select folder. And you just need to navigate to the games folder that we created. Select the games folder and select folder option. And the games folder has been added to this list. Then just to close stuff here and open up Chrome and search WinRAR download. Select the first site. Select the WinRAR English 64-bit. After the download done, click on it and select the yes option. Select the install and select OK and select done. Right click on the zip file and select WinRAR and select extract here option. After the extract done, now open the extracted folder and right click on this ISO file and select WinRAR and select extract to option. After the extract done, now open the extracted folder and double click on the setup and select yes option. Select this browse option and you just need to navigate to the games folder that we created. Select the games folder and select OK option. Select this pause icon in music and mute the music and then select install option. After the installation done, select the OK option and now launch the game through the desktop shortcut. And as you can see, the game opens up without having any problem and you will never face any game related problem, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.